Okay, so to do an increase in double crochet, you're going to do a regular double crochet in your next stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch and pull up a loop, and then work off 2 loops at a time for your double crochet, and then you're just going to go back into the same stitch. So right where that nice big hole is, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the second 2. So we've created 2 stitches out of 1. This might also be called a V-stitch. I'm just going to do 1 double crochet in the next stitch so they don't get too crowded. This can be called a V-stitch. You might see it as double crochet 2 times in your next stitch. So here's my first double crochet, then I just go right back in there. So lots of different things this is called, but this is how you're going to create 2 stitches in 1. Plus you can also do 3, you can increase 4, you can make a whole fan stitch. So whenever it tells you to DC however many times in your next stitch, you're just going to keep going back in there. So that is your super fast stitch refresher on double crochet increasing. If you need a slower, more in-depth tutorial, check out that video, but thank you for watching.